If you're looking at smart household devices, you must have heard of the Xiaomi Roborock Vacuum. Quite a number of people have chosen this great assistant to keep their houses clean. Not only is it very affordable, it certainly performs well. If you're new to this, don't worry. We'll be guiding you through the setup and provide some tips and tricks along the way. The first step for the setup is to connect the power cord. If there's some slack, you can then proceed to tie up the rest of the cable with the Velcro provided. Place the dock against the wall and connect it to the power outlet. Now, here's a tip for you. Follow the advised dimensions for the dock placement so that the Roborock has a comfortable space to dock in. Proceed to place the Roborock into the dock and allow it to charge first.
Charge it.
Alright, that means that it is charging. Now, to prepare the Roborock for cleaning, there is a mopping cloth at the base. Take that out, give it a good rinse and squeeze out the excess water. Slot it back into the opening of the water tank and stick it on with the Velcro. Next, open the tank lid and fill it up with water. To clean even more efficiently, we recommend filling it with some soap or Dettol. With that, just press the power button to start the cleanup. And you can now control the Roborock via the app, which goes without saying. Let's go through that as well. First, download the Mi Home app. From here, either log in into your Xiaomi account or go ahead and create one. Once you're logged in, under Home Applications, you can find Add Device. For this example, we are using the Roborock S5. Follow the instructions to select the Wi-Fi network. Do take note that the Roborock only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Once you've connected to the Roborock Vacuum, hop back to the Mi Home app and you'll see it listed on your homepage. One cool thing about the Roborock is that after its first use, it would have scanned your house and created a visual map of it, kinda like a floor plan. Along with that is an indicator of the remaining battery level and the time it took to clean your whole house. To get more out of your Roborock, you should use zone cleaning. There will be a zone tab below that allows you to specify the zone you want to clean. You even have the option of adding multiple zones to clean. Simply tap and drag on the area you want to clean and press clean. It's that simple. But of course, this may be a pretty smart robot, but it still requires some maintenance and care. So here are some important tips for you. After each clean, you should remove the cleaning module and empty the dustbin. Cleaning the filter is fairly simple, as it can be rinsed out with water. It's advised to do so every 2 weeks. Here's a tip for you. Don't use brushes or fingers to clean the dustbin filter to prevent damage. Oh, and do make sure the dustbin filter is fully dried before use. Did you know you can simply detach the side brushes using a screwdriver to clean them? Additionally, Roborock even comes with a small little tool that assists you to clean the main brush. The front wheel can be easily detached for a quick wipe as well, while the sensors can be gently wiped with a wet cloth or wet wipe. One very useful hack is that you can actually purchase the relevant parts such as side brushes, mop cloths, and more individually online when they are overused and become faulty. This will certainly extend the lifespan of your Roborock. Hopefully, this will help you to set up your own Xiaomi Roborock. Oh, and do remember to remove all clutter and items from the floor before the cleaning session, or this might happen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section down below.